Welcome back to Royal Wood Flooring. Here we are in downtown Phoenix, Arizona, and it is, well, I would say hot, but it's pretty brutal. It is Friday, July 10th, 2020, and it's about 110 degrees outside today. Just wanted to make an update video on this beautiful historical home, probably somewhere around the mid 1930s, that we sanded and refinished a wood floor that's been covered up by a carpet for the last probably about 20-30 years. And you can see, beautiful. Let's go inside and take a look, see how everything turned out. All right, so as you remember from before when we did the previous video, and as you can see, before and after. Now that is amazing. You remember the threshold in our previous video? It was sanded, refinished, turned out amazing, had multiple coats of paint on it. Look at that, beautiful. Black and white, traditional bathroom, age appropriate for a historical home. And this was a bathtub, but they did it on the walk-in shower. And bam, that's a big shower head. So typical small home. And this is called the Jack and Jill bathroom here in the historical district because, and as you'll see in our other videos, the reason for that is you have a front bedroom and a back bedroom and a hallway. So it's called a Jack and Jill bathroom. Oh, whoa, I must have had a little, maybe a bigger water leak at one time, but that's okay. And that is, hey everybody. And there it is. This is the room that we have a video of where you looked before. Very rough. Lots of gaps, which is normal. And we did install a cord around. You can see, very nice detailed. That's the original baseboard, I'm guessing. We did put a cord around in here. A lot of bugs. It had a pretty big gap since the house. The floor sits on joists, so a lot of times the joists tend to sag and the wood floor settles, then leaves a gap in between the baseboard and the floor, so we decided to put a cord around for our client. And you can see, beautiful little doors. I'm guessing these are some original handles, iron. Some of them are iron with glass, these are just iron. And as you see, it turned out amazing for a mid 1930s wood floor. From what it was before to what it is now, magnificent. And this is what we love doing here in Phoenix, Arizona. Restoring old wood floors. And who's we? Royal Wood Flooring. So you can find us online at www.royalwoodflooring.com, or you can give us a call today, 602-446-2613. And it has some kind of a green tarp on the outside to block the sun, since that is the west side. And they have a lot of sun coming in. Let's not focus on that. Let's focus on this amazing wood floor. And that's not a stain. It's just a natural part of the wood. Wow. And I'll tell you why it's not a stain. If it was a stain, this also would have been stained. This would have been stained. It doesn't just stain on a little piece of wood without affecting the rest if it was pee. Dog pee. And you can see, we did a lot of repairs here. Now that is a pet stain. But we took out as much of it as we could. It's still a little bit black, but that's okay. Homeowner's happy. And I think over here we have some metal plates, and you see in our previous video we took out the metal plates and laced in the new wood flooring. The client had some old pieces from another room in the backyard, so we used those. That's the reason why it blended in so good. We used original pieces. There was a gap here, so we did put a threshold. We turned it the other way. It would have cost too much, would not have been cost efficient to lace it in from there to there, or finger it in as we call it. So we just did a cutout and put a threshold across. Turned out amazing. And this back room, wow. Wow, wow, wow. This back room just, it always amazes me how a floor from 1930 could be this beautiful. I mean, like, people say, well, I'm going green, I want a green choice. Really? Then why do you put in vinyl? Laminate, well, we installed that, vinyl laminate and engineered, but really hardwood floors last a lifetime. The other original wood floors from 1930s, and if they're broken, we could fix them. If they're damaged, we could replace them. And then we sand and refinish it. So pretty much a wood floor lasts a lifetime. Not like all the other products where they're just temporary. Carpet, laminate, engineered, tile, not hardwood. You remember the previous video, there was vinyl there, so the crew scraped that out and removed all the glue that's on there, and then we sanded and refinished it all. So I just wanted to show you what we here at Roy Wood Flooring do. Restore wood floors. We bring them back to life, back to reality. We bring them back to life, back to reality. That's what we love to do. So if you're happy with our services, give us a call today. We'll be more than happy to help you. If it's whether it's sanding, staining, refinishing, repairing, or installing engineered, laminate, hardwood, or vinyl floors, we'll be more than happy to help you with all of your, or any and all of your wood flooring projects. Look at that. Downtown Phoenix is just an amazing place. And yeah, even though it's 110 degrees outside, in the wintertime it gets to about 30, 40, so that's the wood drying out in the sun for this coming winter. And let's go ahead and take a look at beautiful trim work around the doors, all original. And as you can see, remember, that's the original color. It was stained at one time. So that stain, that's natural. And so it turns out beautiful. Just like that. Hopefully you enjoyed our video. And until next time, we'll talk soon.